Good morning friends. Today we will be discussing about Microsoft Word. See, Microsoft Word is a package of Microsoft Office, and here we use this package Microsoft Word for typing related tasks. So I will be showing you some basic features of Microsoft Word. I will be showing you how we change the fonts, how we change paragraphs and all, everything in details about Microsoft Word. So let me first type something. I will type here hello world. See, first if I want to change the font, I select this text and go to font option here. Okay, here you will see there is a menu here where it is written Calibri. You click here and there are different fonts. There are a lot of different fonts here. You can see the style of the fonts, and you can choose any one of the font you like looking at the style. So if I want to change the font style, suppose I want this one, Britannic bold, I click on Britannic bold. My word hello world has changed to that kind of format. See, if I want to change the font size and put a specific size, suppose I want it to be 22, I click here, the text becomes 22. But you have to remember one thing, you have to select the text before changing the font. Now if I want to directly increase without looking at the numbers, I just click here, and if I want to decrease, I click on this button. See, the text is decreased and this has increased the text. Then let me change the font. Let me make it to Calibri. Okay, now if I want to bold the text, if I want to make the text bold, I click on this B button. See, the text is bold. If I want to remove it, I click it again, that bold will be unselected. See, and the bold is gone and that B is also unselected. Similarly, if I want to make the text italics, I click on I. See, the text is a little bit slanted towards my right hand side, so this is called italics. If I want to remove it, I click again, it will be removed. Similarly, if I want to underline the text, I click on this U, there is an underline and the text will be underlined. If I want to remove it, again I can remove it like this. Okay, now if I want to make a strike through, I click here, there is a strike through. This means there is a word, the word has a dash in between the text. Now if I have another, and if I want to remove it, again I click here, it will be removed. Okay, now see, I will type something like this. This is very interesting, people need it. Suppose the chemical name of water is H2O, but we cannot write the 2 below the H. Okay, so for that what we have to do is we just select the text and then come here. This is called Subscript. Once you click here, the 2 will go below the H. Similarly, if I want to write something like this, A square plus B square, see, it's written as A2 plus B2. If I want to put 2 above A, okay, we call it superscript, then we select the particular text and click here. This is called superscript. See, this again I select here, this is called superscript. So this is subscript and superscript. Now I'll show you something. Let me go to the page. Okay, there are some texts here. Okay, now suppose someone told me that Bhaskar, make this text, this text or this whole paragraph should be in capital letter. So there is an option here that is called change cases. I select here, and these are the 5-6 options there. I will show you each and every option. See, first I will show you how to make it or make the text in uppercase. I select this uppercase, everything should be in capital letter. Now same text, I want everything should be in small letter or lower case. This is called lower case. Okay, then if I want capitalized each word, means each word, the first letter of each word will be capital letter. So what I do, I click on capitalized each word. See, each word will be capital letter. Now if you see carefully, each word is capital letter. Now I will show you something else, that is called toggle case. If I click on toggle case, all the letters that are capital will become small, and all the letter that is smaller will become capital. See, if I click on toggle case, see what happens. All those letters that were of uppercase became lowercase, and all those letters that were in lowercase became uppercase. Then there is another option, the last option. Here it is the first option, known as sentence case. So what happens in a sentence, the first letter of every sentence is capital letter. After the full stop, anything that you write becomes capital letter. So that if I click on this one, that will become a sentence case. So most of the time we use this thing known as sentence case. Okay, so this is all about change case. Now if I want to highlight something, suppose I want to highlight the word pollution, I want to highlight it. So I click on this one, text highlight, and put a specific color to it. Suppose I put this color, so that particular text will be highlighted. Suppose I want this text pollutants to be highlighted. I select here, I click here, and I choose a color. That particular color will be highlighted. Now if I want to remove it, I select this one again, and I go here and I click on no colors. The color will be removed. Similarly, again like this, see, I go to click here and I select no colors. The text will have a background of white color. Now I want to specifically color the text. So what I do is I select the text. Suppose I want to color this part of the text with a different color. I can choose any of the colors from here and it will change. Suppose I want to make it blue, I select blue. The color of this text will be blue. Similarly, if I want to change the color from here to red, I have to select first, sorry. I select the text here and I click here. If I want it to be red, it will become red. There are certain other font formats also, options are there. If you click here, the small box, see, these are the different options. Most of the options we have discussed already. Some of them are there, you can come here and check it also. So now I will show you a little bit about the paragraph option. See, first of all, in the paragraph option we click here. Okay, I will show you in a different format. We select these two paragraphs first. We select these two paragraphs and then I make it as black color. Okay, now I click on this paragraph tab. There are different types of alignments. Okay, before showing you how it is alignment, let me explain to you, not in this paragraph, but let me take this word hello world. Okay, now if I click here and then choose the align, see, right now the alignment is in left, means it is on the left hand side of the screen. If I want it to be in the center, I click on the centered one and then click on OK. See, the hello world will be in the center of the page. If I want it to be at my right hand side, I click here, I put it on the right side and see, I click on OK, it goes to the right hand side. Now, so this is one part of your alignment. So if you select a text, any text, suppose again this one also, and if I want to put it in the center, I click here, and then center. See this text, if I click on OK, this text will come to the center. So center, right and left you have seen. Now I'll show you how to use the justified option. And what is a justified option? For that I will have to show you this paragraph. Look at this paragraph. If you see the right hand side, the left hand side of the paragraph is all in a straight line, but on the right hand side is not in a straight line. See, there is a gap somewhere here. If you see carefully, there is a gap here. Again, there is a gap somewhere here. See, look at the second paragraph, there is a gap somewhere here. So this one is even, all the lines are same, but here it is not same. So what we do is we select the paragraphs. I select it like this, and then I click on this one. I go to the paragraph option and I select justified. Once you select justified and click on OK, see, it will all become in one straight line. This is called justification. Now I'll show you another thing. I click on this, I select the paragraph here. So wait, to select the paragraph. Okay, let me select the paragraph. I've selected the paragraph. I click here. I chose the left alignment, and now I go to indentation. So this, see, indentation, the left indentation. If I increase this one, you will see the difference. I have increased it to 1 inch and I click on OK. See, my paragraph went 1 inch towards the right. My paragraph went 1 inch towards the right. Again, I will change it back. First I have to select it. Till here I had selected previously, so it went okay. Now I go to the paragraph again, and left I will select 0. I will click on OK. See, it is normal now. This is called indentation. If I want to move the paragraph, suppose I want to move this middle paragraph, only this paragraph, towards my left, towards my right, sorry. Then I click here, indentation, click on OK, it will go this side. Similarly, if I want to move it back, select here, make it 0, it will come back to its original position. Now I select this paragraph till this one, and then I change the right indentation. See, okay, so you will see from the right hand side it went towards the left hand side 1 centimeter. It made a gap. If I make it justify, then you will understand. See, there is a gap of 1 centimeter here for these paragraphs. See, there's a gap of 1 centimeter if you look carefully, but these don't have that gap. Okay. Type 0, press enter, everything will be normal now. Let me delete all these things. Okay. Now I will show you something else. If I want to give space between the paragraphs, I select everything. Look at the space now between these two paragraphs. There is only one little bit space now, but I can increase it as well as I can decrease it. I have selected this much. Then we go back to the paragraph option and spacing. Here I will give space. okay, 18px, and see what is the difference. See, there will be a difference. There will be a difference between the space. Okay, if I want to give more and see the difference before and after a paragraph ends. Now see the difference. See, there is a difference in that from the top you will see, and also from the bottom you will see the difference. There is a difference between the paragraphs. Now there is something called as line spacing. I select everything. Wait, this is also, suppose I select everything and then come here and go for line spacing. See, this is a single line spacing. Okay, normal. Now I want to change my line spacing to 1.5 lines. I click on OK. See, you will see automatically see the difference between the space between the space between the two lines. If I select here, if I click here, make double line, see, this is the difference. So like this you can give some space between the sentences or the lines. If you want to give some space between 2 or 3 lines in a paragraph, you can do this line spacing. Okay, I'll show you something else now. Delete everything. Okay. Now I will be showing you something that is called bullets and numbering. Suppose I want to write name of 5 animals. If I want to give numbers to it, if I want to give numbers to these 5, like cow will be 1, goat will be 2, dog will be 3, I select this one. Now I go here, see, in this paragraph option I come here. Here you will see numbers are there, these are bullets. So these are called as bullets, these are called as numbers. You click on the drop down menu, you will see different patterns of numbers. See, 1, there will be a 1 and a bracket, then Roman letter 1, A, B, C, capital letter, small letter ABC, small letter ABC again with dot, this small letter ABC with bracket, and Roman 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever you want, suppose I want this one, I will click here automatically. Now if I want to add something else here, I click here after line, automatically F will come. Automatically G will come. So this is how we enter bullets or numberings. So okay, sorry, this is called numberings. Okay, I can change it to, if now I don't want this alphabets, I want some numbers. Just simple, you click here, choose the numbers, it will automatically change. This is called numbering. Suppose I want to put bullets, not this one. So let me show you something else. I want automatically bullets will come. Okay, so first I will choose one bullet, any one you want from here. So I will choose I like this one. I will choose this dot, then name of suppose I write again goat, cow. See, automatically the bullet appears. Rabbit, lion, panda. So this is bullet. Again, you want to change the format of the bullets, you select this one, you click here, you choose whatever bullet you want, you can do it. Okay, sometimes it may so happen that inside one bullet there you have to put another bullet. Inside one bullet you have to put another bullet. We call it nested bullets or nested numbering. So it will be better if I show you like this, using suppose question number Okay, first I will choose a number. This is, suppose this is a question. Okay, what is the name of your state? Now I want to give some options, okay, for this one. So what I will do is I will press a tab in my keyboard. Automatically you see the number has changed to another numbering format. So this becomes A. So you can write Assam, Maharashtra, Goa, Punjab. So now this is nested numbers. So again I want to put my second question now. I enter here. It is like this. You press shift and tab together in your keyboard. You will go back to the first format of the first question. Now see, this is my second question. Again I want to put some option. I give a tab. So this is how bullets and numbering is done. So I enter for I want to go use my third. I want to type the third question again. Shift and tap in your keyboard. Finish. Okay. Another thing I want to show you. Suppose you want to copy something now. See. Okay. Let me delete all these things now. I want to type my name. Bhaskar. I want to copy it. I select the text. I go to this clipboard option. You see there is an option called as copy. I click on copy and then I press enter and then I click on this paste option here. Automatically Bhaskar will be pasted. If I press again, another Bhaskar will be copied. Now I will change this text to red and I'll show you what is the difference between copy and cut. See, Bhaskar is now this Bhaskar is in red color. I select this text. I click on cut. Automatically you will see this Bhaskar is gone. That red color Bhaskar. I want to paste it here. I double click there and click on paste. See, that red color Bhaskar came here. So this is the difference between cut and copy. So I want to end today's class here. I want whatever I have showed you, just practice this thing, and in the next class I will go into details about Microsoft Word. Okay, more details about Microsoft Word. Thank you.